Feedback building is very important aspect of online business. Let's suppose your buyer has some issues with your product. You must talk with him politely and respond him quickly. If your buyer will leave negative feedback will not make you successful in your business. You must pay attention towards your positive feedback. Positive feedback is very necessary for your business grooming, because of whenever a new buyer will visit your website, your online store, he must pay attention towards your reviews. What people are saying about your store, about your products, about your attitudes with your buyers. Whenever a buyer will buy something from you, you must request him for positive feedback. This thing will build your positive feedback, and positive feedback will definitely boost your online business. Thank you.